Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friend, this video is fully dedicated for the TCS IPS CPA exam, and please watch video till the end because in this one single video I am going to cover all the information related to your TCS IP exam. So is this mandatory to give, exam pattern, syllabus? So this kind of queries I'm going to cover in one single video, and I will provide you the all the material whatever I'm going to share with you. I'm going to discuss with in this particular video. So don't worry, you will find all the materials in my video description, and also please try to join my telegram group for the same. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, you can see on my screen, so this type of things you are I think you all are going to get of basically from 2024 batch candidates. Okay, so what does this mean, sir? So TCS Explorer Protected Exam IPA Location Preference Survey on 17th May 2024, and this is also once they post on the survey on Explorer community, then also you are going to receive a mail also. Okay, so TCS Explorer Product Assessment will be conducted at TCS Ion Center in various cities of India on 17th June at 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Please choose your preferred location and fill this survey. Your preferred Ion exam center location will be considered to the test to extent possible. Note: once you submit the survey, no further changes can be done. So kindly make sure you can select a right location before submitting the survey. Okay, and see this article, and after that Explorer Hyderabad and location added for June 17th. They are all good news for candidates who are willing to choose Hyderabad location for taking up the 17th June IPA. Please select yes option and submit the survey without fail. The survey will be available till 10 a.m. on 17th of May 2024. Before that, you have to choose. Sir, is this mandatory? So this is basically, this is not a mandatory, but for 2024 batch, please attend this test. If you are able to crack or not, it doesn't matter, but you have to attempt the test so that you are going to get your joining very earlier. क्योंकि आप लोग के सीनियर इसमें क्या हुआ था, काफी लोगों ने असेसमेंट को अटेंड नहीं करा था। उन लोगों ने सोचा था कि क्या क्या ही अटेंड करेंगे, कोई फायदा होता नहीं। बट आई रिक्वेस्ट फॉर 24 बैच कैंडिडेट्स, प्लीज ट्राई टू अटेंड दिस टेस्ट। पास फेल मैटर नहीं करता, अटेंड करना इज मैंडेटरी। ओके, सो अब बात करते हैं आईपीए को लेकर। व्हाट इज द टीसीएस आईपीए एग्जाम? सो टीसीएस आईपीए आयोन प्रोडक्ट असेसमेंट एग्जाम इज एन असेसमेंट टेस्ट कंडक्टेड इन स्पेशलाइज्ड आयोन सेंटर are the centers that evaluates a candidate programming aptitude, reasoning, business and communication skill. The time limit is 120 minutes to solve, worth 100 marks. The TCS IP exam is important for fresh graduate who is wish to join TCS. It provides a platform for candidate to showcase their skills and knowledge. Okay, so once you clear your IP exam with more than 80% score, then no need to give your PRA exam. So what is the PRA exam? So PRA exam for those candidates who are going to qualify IPA with less than 80%, and they have to give the PRA. PRA is for project readiness assessment. So once you clear your PRA, then only you are going to get a project in TCS. Okay, next, understanding the TCS IP exam pattern and syllabus along with the exclusive study tips. You can choose to attempt the IP test in one or two major programming language. Either you can choose the Java and Python. Okay, the main section, the test will be a mix of MCQ as well as coding questions from the programming languages for your choice, and you will be have 120 minutes to complete and submit your answer. So we have two sections, MCQ and B coding. The allocated time for which will be 50 minutes and 70 minutes respectively. So you are going to get your 50 minutes for MCQ and 70 minutes for coding. The MCQ section and coding section are each worth 50 marks with the exact syllabus marks and time segregate for which can be found in the table below discussed by respective programming languages. So one is Python. Total section we're going to get a KYT, basic skill, UI, Unix, Python, MySQL, Python programming. If you are going to choose the Python, and if you are able to choose the Java, then you are going to get a Java programming. And in place of Java, you are going to get a Python. Okay, and number section KYT 5 questions, 5 question, 5 score, basic skill 5, then 5, then same one question work marks 1 marks each. Okay, and 2 programming question, each and every one is for 15 and other is 15. So if you are able to clear your coding question, then easily you are going to qualify these marks also. Okay, so total you have to carry the total marks of 100, 120, whatever they have mentioned. Okay, 100 marks. Okay, and this for Java, and this was subsection cutoff. Okay, so basically wait, so we basically have 6 subsection in the MCQ and 2 subsection in the coding section respectively. Let's divide into the what stand for gain a better understanding. So MCQ subsection we have KYT, basic skills, the session tested business skills, and KYT stand for know your TCS. Okay, and UI is user interface skill and knowledge that you must have been tested. And in subsection Unix, you must know the basic of Unix programming system. Then Java, and then Python, Okay, MySQL and also same MySQL and PSQL. In the they are going to check your 10 marks in consists of 10 questions, and SQL and PSQL is 10 marks in 10 questions. Okay, they're going to ask. Okay, now for the coding subsection, one simple coding, simple Python or Java coding question, 15 marks. Here you'll be asked to write a coding solution to an easy programming in the programming language you can choose to attempt the test. Practice a string problem as well as and as well as program based on them and get a good understanding of all string concept. Question number 2 is complex Python Java coding question, 35 marks. There will be a relatively difficult as well as longer coding problem that you must solve correctly. Learn classes, object inheritance, practice a question listed in this blog as well as previously asked IPA coding question posted in TCS Explorer. Okay, so this type of whatever I discussed right now, I got this information from this site only. Okay, so I will provide you the link as well in my video description. Just go through the link and you'll finding all the material, all the questions, answer. Okay, just save it with you. This is for MCQ and this is for coding questions. Okay, so this is a Arjit AC. So just fork this one and just save in your GitHub account, and so just start preparing your question and answer. They already shared the question and answer as well. This is the solution. This is a Java solution, and this is for solution, you can say. This is solution a question. Okay, so please go through this PDF. You're finding all the things. I will provide you the link in my video description as well. Okay, and if you want to learn more about it, I will provide you the link as well. So how much score is required and the other things, I will provide all the link in my video description. So just go through it and just start registering for the same. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.